class, and welcome to Unit 3 of ECS 116, Teaching in a Diverse Society. This unit is going to be covering working with diversity issues. So over the next 2 weeks, specifically week 5 and week 6, I'm going to ask that you do the following activities. So for week 5, let me highlight it here. I'm going to ask that you do all of your reading. So you're going to read the introduction in Chapter 3 to Working with Diverse Issues, and that's in your DEC book, the yellow book. And then I also have some videos for you. So you're going to watch the video, Everything You Always Want to Know About Culture, and then review the cross-cultural communication strategies that I've established when you're interacting in the discussion board and in the small diversity group. I also have another video for you called Cross-Cultural Communication. So your main activity for week 5 is to post and respond in the discussion board, and that's discussion board number 4, Working with Diversity Issues, Conflict Resolution, and that's due by 9:25 at midnight. So know that you have to post your post, which is the answer to my question, by Thursday, September 22nd at midnight, and then you're going to respond to 2 to 3 classmates no later than midnight on Sunday the 25th. So over week 6, everything in week 6 is going to be due by Sunday, October 2nd. So know that you're going to be reading chapter 2 in the York text, Roots and Wings. That's on children and prejudice. And then I want you to read about individualism and collectivism and how those two global perspectives are going to influence conflict with diversity issues. So I have a paper in there for you on that. There also is a culture and childcare paper by the Program for Infant Toddler Caregivers, or PITSE. Goes along really nicely with your text, the yellow text. So we also have a paper on dependence, independence, and interdependence, the roles that folks will play in a diverse program in a society. So then we're going to be posting to our small diversity group. So I just have to stress that it's very important that you post in a timely manner, because other folks have to respond to your post in order to get credit. So you're going to need to have everything completed by the 2nd of October at midnight. But your initial post should be up by Thursday the 29th, and you have to respond to all group members no later than midnight on Sunday the 2nd. So we are getting a little bit better at posting in a timely manner. And just remember that you're going to have to log on in this class 2 to 3 times per week in order to be successful. It'd be just like if we were meeting 2 times a week for an hour and 20 minutes, and then you'd have your out-of-class assignment time. So I want to go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. And please know that some of the items may not be available, so I don't post your discussion boards early. I post them during the time of the actual assignment period, and that way we have the asynchronous conversations happening and people can respond. So here's our objectives. So I'm looking for you to identify important aspects of including parents in culturally respective ways. I'm also asking for you to identify and include home culture in the early childhood program. I'm asking for you to identify your own home cultural values concerning parenting and parent responsibilities. Also to describe the importance of community connection to increase diversity awareness and inclusiveness to the community. And then identify ways to connect with the community for inclusion of community diversity. So here is our reading list. Okay. Here's the video. It's a TED Talk. I think you'll find it very enlightening. Everything you always want to know about culture. It's about 17 minutes. Here's those cross-cultural communication strategies. I just want you to review them again before you post. So you'll need to watch these things and do the readings prior to entering into the discussion board number 4, conflict resolution. So I also have some directions here on what page numbers to refer to. So then, to get ready for our small diversity group for the next week, we have a cross-cultural communication TED Talk for you. That one's about 19 minutes. There's the culture and childcare paper, dependence, independence, and interdependence paper, and then the entrance to your small diversity group discussion. So that's based on the chapter 2. If you have any questions about the activities in the module, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can reach me at tropke@hancockcollege.edu.